Sometimes it is hard to put yourself first. You work hard, and the days seem too short to take care of yourself. You end up with bad habits and feeling low on energy and motivation. And you have trouble improving because you don't know where to start. But it doesn't have to be like this. With the right program, you can improve your life easily from the comfort of your home, office, or wherever you prefer. Nutrium Care is a corporate wellness program that gives you the power to change your eating habits for good. With workshops and resources with all the info you need to eat better and be healthier. And online nutrition appointments with experts who understand your needs. So you can improve your habits every single day. With a mobile app that tells you when to eat and gives you lots of healthy options adapted to your taste. And even sends you reminders to drink water. You can log all your meals and activity on the mobile app so your dietitian can see how you are doing. And get more exercise recommended by your dietitian. You can also send them a message anytime you have any questions or need any help. You and the employees of your company can change. Nutrium Care, the push you need to make your company healthier than ever. Start making a difference.